Aloha!
Aloha!
I have Tyler as my assistant. This is the memory of my life in photography. You see, I have all the different pictures in my life in the past 30 years. Tyler, pick a picture, anyone. Okay? Show everybody and show the camera, don't show me. Okay, now I'm gonna have 3 stacks. 1, 2, and 3. Tyler, choose one stack. This one, okay. Put yours on top of this. And I'm putting this and this, it'll be sandwiched in. Now I'm gonna have Tyler riffle shuffle these 2 stacks. Okay, good. Now let me put it together and let me see if I can find his picture. See, we have pictures face up and face down. See, face up, face down. And Tyler, pull that picture and show the camera and everybody. Is that your picture? Yeah, good. Oh, thank you. Now, as I move on into life, I have bigger pictures. And as I wake up in the morning, the sunrise. You see? There's me in front of King Kamehameha. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the sunset. It goes from day to night. See? Day to night. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sunrise, sunset. Watch this. And watch this. And this. And this. And watch this. Printing pictures. Oh. And this one. And this one. I have more pictures. You see, I have all different pictures of my retirement. I'm gonna count down the pictures and I'm gonna have a prediction. And Tyler, tell me when to stop. Ready? Tell me when to stop. Stop. Oh, okay. He chose this picture. He could have chose this one, or he could have chose this one. But he chose this one, and in my envelope, let me show you the picture.